Jun, I'm really excited. What are we making today?
Today we are making BiangBiang noodles inspired by the flavors of Malaysian chili pami.
Oh, that's so exciting.
So first off, we are going to make the dough. Now add some water in and also a bit of salt. Then you can mix this by hand or use a stand mixer as well. Give it about 10 minutes of kneading and you'll end up with a really nice dough like this.
Look at that, so smooth.
And just gonna give it a rest on the countertop. And after resting, we can start making and pulling our noodles. Make this into a longish shape. And I'm just gonna split this into 8 to 10 pieces. You're gonna work with one piece of dough at a time. And then I'll just give it an indent in the middle because we're gonna be tearing it apart later.
Oh, these are good tips.
Then, this is where the fun part is. You get to stretch the noodles. You can just tear it right down the middle.
All right.
See if it like follows the line. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Cool.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice.
Yeah. So once you have your noodles all pulled, we're gonna cook it in a pot of like salted boiling water. And this will cook in about a minute and it'll start to float up. And we're just gonna take it out. Okay, so now we are going to make the topping. Get a bit of oil in, garlic. Then the mushroom goes in too. Then minced chicken in. So you got light soy sauce, dark sweet soy sauce, and a bit of sesame oil as well. So minced chicken and mushroom, fried anchovies. The key component, some sambal, nice half-boiled egg, chopped spring onions just to finish.
Wow, that looks so amazing, Jun. Look at that.
We can eat this right now, but I also have extra noodles that I made.
Oh, great.
Right
you know, we can save these because if we use the Prime Freeze function with the Panasonic Prime Plus Edition fridge, we can freeze them in like 45 minutes.
Wow.
Yeah, and then you can make this again for me tomorrow.
Panasonic.